I was introduced to the business first when Jessica was still young, and I had left what most people consider a dream engineering career to stay home with my kids. And when I found the Market America business plan, I was assured by somebody that they had a simple, proven business plan, but with no business in business, no background in business. I was a little nervous about taking that trail, and I was able to successfully complete it and then introduce my daughter later on.
And I'm blessed that I grew up watching my parents successfully build their own business. So I always knew that I wanted to work with my parents when I grew up, that I wanted to be an entrepreneur. But of course, they wanted me to have a work ethic. And so I got my first job. And then a few years later, I started working at Carowinds Amusement Park. And I worked there for 7 years, working my way up to area manager. And while I was working full-time at Carowinds, I also went to school. I went to the University of South Carolina, where I double majored in marketing and business management with a focus on entrepreneurship. And while I was working full-time, going to school full-time, I started to build this business part-time in my senior year of school until I graduated in May.
And I have been very blessed because my daughter was in this business that I've been able to take the products. They're simply amazing. And I decided to listen to my granddaughter and join them in this business.